Hi, it's Sean, the Fluency Awesomeizer. I have two reading exercises for you in this video. Should be about 5 minutes long, so let's take a look. All right, I'm about to show you a word. I want you to do your best to read it. If you can read it, that's great. But I have a feeling some of you are going to guess a word that's going to show up at the bottom. Let's see what the word is. All right, think you know that word? If you do, that's awesome. You may have guessed this word. All right, these are the words evaluated and elevated. They're similar. Let's take a look and compare them. All right, both of these words start and end the same way with an E and with, you can see in blue, aided. They both have a V and an L in them too, but up top, the V comes before the L and there's an AL sound, al. Down below, the V and the L, they've switched places, they've reversed, and there's an E vowel sound there. So we're going to say ev, lev. This is very common to switch letters like B and L. All right, and that's what makes reading the word evaluated so tricky. Another thing that makes it tricky is this U. Okay, this is a hard U. You actually say you when you read it. There are a lot of words where the U says you, and that's how I like to remember it. I had this, I don't know what you would call it, but I say when you says you say evaluated. When you says you, in this case, you say evaluated. All right, just something I like to say to remember it. Anyway, we're going to look at the syllables now. Up top, you can say short E, I like to do short E like this. There's an E in sign language. Smell your breath. Or it could be a long E, eval. There's that hard U. Then we've got the A, TED, evaluated. Down below, or E, should it be a short or long E? We're going to say elevated. Okay, and here are the root words to those. Up top is the root word evaluate and the root word elevate. We're going to put these words aside now, and here's my favorite part of the Fluency Awesomeizer. Here's a phrase I'm going to ask you to hit pause, give yourself some time to read this phrase. It's full of great practice that is similar to some of the tricky parts of these words. All right, so hit pause and read this. All right, there's one more exercise here. The same routine. I'm about to show you a word. See how well you can do reading it. Here it is. What do you think that word says? If you know it, that's great. You might have guessed this word. These are the words illuminate and eliminate or eliminate. And they are similar. Let's compare them. The middle and end of the word of these words are exactly the same. It's the beginning where things get interesting. Illuminate starts with an I. Here's I in sign language. I like to remind myself a short I sound, like if I touch my chin in, or I hit my finger, or even your nose. So there's an I in illuminate, but an E in eliminate. And you can pronounce a short E, or a long E. Either kind of makes sense. Let's just try it out. But they both have an L. Up top is a double L. It's going to make that I short. And there's that U again, but this isn't a situation where the U says you. You say illu, and down below it's ili. So here are the syllables. That double L up top, we're going to split that and have the short I sound il, and lu, long U, min, eight, illuminate. Down below, or even a long eliminate. You can say eliminate. That's what makes this eliminate so easily confused with illuminate, because most people say eliminate, eliminate. And we're going to put these words aside right now. I'm going to show you another phrase. I want you to hit pause, give yourself plenty of time to read it. And those are the exercises for today, okay? I hope you enjoyed it. Here it is. We'll see you next time on the Fluency Awesomeizer.